Hello, I'm in a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first we'll go on the driver's side here, and then you should find a lever like this along the side that we're going to pull. You should feel a little resistance, maybe hear a pop. If there's no resistance at all, you want to check back behind this plastic, probably make sure everything's connected. That's the first step. When you get to the front, you should feel that this hood's slightly loose now, which it is. If that safety didn't release, this wouldn't be loose. In most vehicles, there's a release lever somewhere towards the middle. You just have to reach out until you find it. So this one's right here, so we're gonna push this way and then lift. Push and lift. That's it. If they're working properly, these little hydraulic lifts will hold it up for you while you work. But that's where it hooked onto. And this is that mechanism you were just playing with. It should move fairly smoothly. If not, check for any debris, maybe some WD-40 to loosen this mechanism. Also make sure everything's bolted in properly and straight. And then same with your hood, make sure your hood's not off alignment. That could cause issues. Make sure nothing's bent. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.